Hi, hi. Come on, come on. I'm fine, my dear. I'm doing great. What about you? Yes, guys. Come on, come on. Today onwards, we are entering into a new thing. What is a new thing? Can you see my screen, everyone? Yes. Yeah, welcome to modern JavaScript. Warm welcome each and every member. We'll try to enjoy the things today onwards programming. So till now, how many sessions completed? All the sessions which are related to designing part. Today onwards, we are entering into programmatic level. So these are the more program oriented. These are more logical oriented. Right, modern JavaScript. Right. HTML in CSS. Vaibhav is saying, sir, you missed a lot of topics. I'm getting a worry about that one. Vaibhav, come on, list out what I forgot. Come on, Vaibhav, immediately. Vaibhav is not happy. Oh my God. That much big mistake I did, Vaibhav. Oh my God. Right. Any other one? Any very excited to learn that one. Okay. Right. Vaibhav, not happy. Many topics are discussed. So as per the content means bootstrap, no need to discuss Vaibhav. Okay. As per the content HTML5, no need to discuss Vaibhav. As per the content CSS3, no need to discuss Vaibhav. Shall I go as per the content? As per the content you want, as per the real time you want. Come on. Session is depends on you. As per the real time, as per the content. Yes, give me chance. Real time, what we are using, we want. You want a book size or you want a logical size? You can think. Book size means a lot of topics available. We'll increase the book size. And later we need to carry that one. But we are unable to answer in the interview panel. Logical size means only important things which we are using right now in the industry. That's it. Right? Shall we move forward? Right. Come to logical environment here. Another great session here that is called JavaScript. JavaScript level, what are the main things existed where we are using? So in this way, can you tell me anybody what is the meaning of HTML? What is the meaning of HTML? Not full form. I don't want full form. What is the meaning of HTML? It is not the time for full form. What is the meaning of HTML? To create static web pages. To create static web pages. To design static web pages. Excellent. Super. Good definition, Gina. What is the meaning of HTML5? Come on, come on. What is the meaning of HTML5? What is the meaning of HTML5? Very good. Making website more responsive. Create dynamic web pages. Very good. We can create dynamic web pages with advanced tags. Excellent. Come on, remaining members. Come on, remaining members. Right. More advanced level. Next one is, unwanted scripting. Correct, Vaibhav. Next one. What is the meaning of CSS? What is the meaning of CSS? What is the meaning of CSS? Cascading style sheets. Oh, you cannot see, Narendra, my screen. Remaining members, can you able to see my screen? Narendra is unable to see my screen, my dears. CSS means we are applying styles on static web pages. Somebody disturbing the session. Shall we remove? Who is? Somebody disturbing the session. Shall we remove? Right. Yes. CSS is nothing but group of styles we can apply on HTML page. Using CSS, more look and feel. Correct. We can apply on more look and feel. Very good. What is the meaning of cascading? What is the use of cascading? What is the meaning of cascading? Cascading means inheriting. Cascading means inheriting. Style means group of properties. Style means group of properties. Sheet means .css extension. Sheet means .css extension. Correct? Sheet means .css extension. Come on. Yes, cascading means inheriting. Style means group of properties. Sheet means .css extension. Correct. What is the meaning of CSS3? Come on. తర్వాత నేను చేస్తాను కానీ నేనన్నాను కదా అన్న అందుకంటే ఎక్కువ మాటలు advanced cascading. No, I'm not asking full form about the CSS3. CSS3 is the combination of advanced level properties. Correct. Very good. So which is giving dynamic pages designing, but not dynamic exactly. We can say animations, I think transforms, transitions, web fonts. There are lots of properties. Test shadows, box shadows. Come on. Right. More interactive. Correct. By using CSS3, more interactive we are doing. Very good. So HTML you are clear, CSS you are clear, HTML5 you are clear, CSS3 you are clear. To be frank, my dear, complete HTML5 you want to learn, complete HTML5, minimum 90 working days required. Complete. Previously, only HTML5 I'm teaching 3 months. Only JavaScript completely you want to learn, it takes 3-4 months. Only CSS3 you want to learn, minimum 2 months. I hope you're understanding the things. Learn which are very important. Please try to work out on that one. Like every contents are here full stop available, here comma available, here double quotation available, means that you, when you will explore yourself, if really that is very important topic, you can ask. But when you will explore yourself, my lot of videos are there already, nearly 50-60 videos are there. Go through that, and I'm giving ear sessions, but which are important. I learned this. Can I able to do some real time? Same like this. So JavaScript also I'm giving, which is very important. Do you know in the industry JavaScript using, Angular using, Node.js using? Which one in the industry using? Can you tell me? Is industry using JavaScript still? Come on, is industry still using JavaScript? No. Industry already shifted to Angular, Express.js. Come on, Node.js, React.js. But to learn all these advanced level, which is the basic important? Which is the basic important? JavaScript mandatory. Some people are thinking, I want to perfect in JavaScript, sir, I want to get a job. No jobs on JavaScript in the industry. Please try to know it, my dears, software engineers. I want to do JavaScript the best. JavaScript already over. JavaScript flavors are there. Right now, more jobs are there. Where you know? Node.js. Anybody you heard the name? Rocking right now in the industry, Node.js. Node.js is server-side JavaScript. Come on. Node.js is what? Server-side JavaScript. Anybody? Node.js is server-side JavaScript. Excellent. Node.js is server-side JavaScript. Yeah, Angular super, my dear. Angular TypeScript super combination. Anybody you heard the name Angular? Come on, anybody heard the name Angular? Excellent. Very good. Yes, React.js, Express.js. Excellent, my dears. So finally, JavaScript is client-side programming. JavaScript is client-side programming. What is the purpose of the JavaScript? What is the main purpose of the JavaScript? Validating web applications at the client side. Validating web applications at the client side. Validations purpose, no need to write big JavaScripts. Nowadays, validations are very simple in Angular level, Express level, React level. There are many frameworks already entered. JavaScript is the basic. Without JavaScript, can I learn other flavors? No, I won't agree. JavaScript is mandatory. Before you are going to Angular, which is mandatory. Before you are going to Angular, which is mandatory. JavaScript is mandatory. Very good. Before you are going to JavaScript, which is mandatory. HTML, CSS mandatory. HTML, CSS mandatory. Can I learn directly JavaScript without HTML, CSS? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Because where you are going to? Why I said Bootstrap? Bootstrap also important framework to design in a better web of applications. That is the reason Bootstrap I said. So finally, are you understanding my terminologies, my dears? Modern JavaScript only I am sharing with you. Modern JavaScript only I am sharing with you. Yes, server-side JavaScript is the Node.js. Client-side is JavaScript only. Santosh. Introduction to JavaScript. Do you have any idea JavaScript original name? Anybody? Do you have any idea JavaScript original name? Anyone? The original name of JavaScript. The original name of JavaScript. Very good. Original name of the JavaScript is LiveScript. JavaScript original name is LiveScript. Braden Hitch. Braden Hitch is the father of JavaScript. He developed in Netscape Corporation in 1995. Initially LiveScript. Later LiveScript renamed as JavaScript. My dear software engineers, are you understanding? Come on. Are you understanding the wording here? Initially LiveScript, later changed as JavaScript. JavaScript was designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. Understand the terminologies here. Understand the terminologies here. Designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. Get it, the words. JavaScript is pure scripting language. Braden Hitch, already I said word. Braden Hitch is father of JavaScript. Am I clear my terminologies, everyone, guys? Come on. Right, I'm moving forward. Before I'm going to JavaScript, what I'm discussing? What is scripting language? Anybody you heard the name? Programming language, scripting language. Like these words are there in the industry. Any of you guys heard the names? Come on, any of you guys heard the names? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of scripting language? What is the meaning of programming language? So there are the lots of things are there here. Scripting language means weakly typed programming, loosely typed programming, lightweight programming. Weakly, loosely, or lightweight programming. Scripts are becoming more popular due to emergence of web-based applications. Scripts are becoming more popular due to the emergence of web-based applications. Advantages of scripting languages. Easy to learn and use. Minimum programming knowledge or experience required. Allow complex tasks to be performed in relatively few steps. Editing and running code is fast. Please understand every word, everybody. It is loosely or weakly typed. What is the meaning of loosely? What is the meaning of weakly? What is the meaning of lightweight? Less lines of coding. Scripting always, when compared to programming, scripting having less lines of coding. Why we are calling loosely or weakly? Interpreted based. In this web environment nowadays, which are very popular compared to programming languages, scripts are very popular. Why? Where you are writing less lines of coding, their performance always excellent. Their applications doing more job, more interactive, more performance they are providing. What are the main advantages of a scripting language? Easy to learn, simple to use, nothing experts in programming, no need to write hundreds of thousands of lines of code. Even complex tasks also we can do in a simple way. Editing easy, performance outstanding. But what are the limitations of the scripting language? Mainly JavaScript. Some hackers using JavaScript, they are going to hack client systems because JavaScript is a completely client based. But there is no guarantee all browsers must support JavaScript. This is also one limitation. But cons, pros and cons like that. Pros are given, cons are given. Are you clear now? What are the limitations? What are the features of scripting languages, everyone? No, I'm not saying hackers are using JavaScript. In some situations, using JavaScript, they can do anything client. That's what exactly I'm following. Maybe they'll use, say, hacker doesn't have any sense, Mahesh. They're required successfully hacked or not. That purpose, they're ready to use JS, they're ready to use Python, they're ready to use anything. Okay. So JavaScript may like that they are using. Okay. We are using constructive way, they are using maybe destructive way. I hope you understood, Mahesh, what I said. Right. I think you people understood what is the meaning of scripting, what are the features, pros available, what are the cons available. Finally, scripts are how many types existed? Generally, scripts are two types available. Generally, scripts are two types existed. What are that one? What are that one? Client-side scripting languages. Server-side scripting languages. What is a client-side scripting language? What is a server-side scripting language? A script which is getting executed. A script which is getting executed within the web browser is called client-side. What is a client-side meaning? A script which is getting executed within the web browser is called client-side. A script which is getting executed within the web server is called server-side scripting. Am I clear, everyone? Guys, am I clear, everyone? A script which is running within the web browser, what we are calling? A script which is running within the web browser, what we are calling? client side. Right, very good. So client side, what are available? Live script existed. JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, Dot, Python, Ajax, all these are comes under client side. Browser is client side or server side? Which side software browser? Browser is which side software, everyone? Come on. What is the meaning of browser? Can anybody, what is the meaning of browser? Browser is client side lightweight software. Client side lightweight software. It takes HTTP request from client to server. It brings or it renders HTTP response from server to client. Requesting browser, response coming from server to client. So what are the server side scripts available? Come on, check it, everybody. The script which is running within the web server is called server side. Right now, which is the number one worldwide number one server side script? You can tell me? Python. Worldwide number one scripting Python. ASP, active server pages from Microsoft. Which server we are using? IIS. Internet Information Services. JSP. Apache Tomcat. Sun Java Systems. Java server page we are calling actually. JSP is nothing but Java. Advanced level Java. PHP is nothing but Apache HTTP, NGINX, WAMP server, Ruby. Ruby is a programming language. Anybody you heard the name? Node.js, server-side JavaScript, Apache IIS. Very good. There are number of server-side technologies existed. At least what is client-side, what is server-side? Are you clear? You have any question, please. You are openly question me. Please don't compromise. Please don't compromise. Openly question me. But JavaScript is base when you are going to learn advanced. Learn correctly the JavaScript. Ruby is a programming language, my dear. Type, go to Google and type, my dear. Hemant. JavaScript server level we are calling Node.js. Client side JavaScript. Prakash. Server side means it required web server. Client side means web server doesn't require. Vaibhav. Server side means it required web server. For example, you are going to .NET Technologies, IIS compulsory. You are going to Java Technologies, Tomcat compulsory. Or Sun Java System Server compulsory. Or NGINX. Or some web server compulsory. Whereas client side, nothing. HTML you created, any web server used? CSS, HTML5, simple you are running. No web server, nothing. You know already that. Right. So how many types of scripts total? Total, how many types of scripts? Scripts are just two types. What are that one? Client-side scripting languages, server-side scripting languages. So JavaScript comes under client-side. Very good. What is JavaScript? Who developed? This is again big question. JavaScript is world's most popular scripting language or programming. Who developed actually JavaScript? Braden H. In which organization he developed? Netscape organization. Do you know what is the JavaScript real name or official name? ECMA. 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 European Computer Manufacturers Association. Please try to know it, everybody. That is the reason people are calling ES5, ES6, ES7. Anybody heard the name? Sir, are you teaching ES6, ES7? Some people asked him already starting. Yeah. So what is JavaScript? Who developed? Why we need to study JavaScript? JavaScript reason is HTML to define the content of web pages. You want to make it HTML pages dynamic. You want to make it dynamic content. For example, some dynamic layouts you are going to do. So JavaScript is going to change the behavior of the web pages. Coordinator nowadays, Hemant, almost outdated. PHP related almost very less. I think 0.1% also, less than that. PHP related. Coordinator, PHP, there is another framework also is there. I forgot Joomla. All these are. Maybe you heard Joomla or not, I don't know. I think 10, 12 years back, I heard in the company, this Joomla. Right. So JavaScript, the reason, I hope you are clear. Making finally JavaScript is dynamic web pages. Without JavaScript, dynamic web pages possible? Possible, but not that much not effective. Without JavaScript, dynamic web pages not possible. If possible, also not that much effective. Clear, everyone? Right. So finally, what is scripting? You are clear. Types of scripts you are clear. What is JavaScript? Who developed? Clear. Why we are using JavaScript means to apply the dynamic. Okay, right. So come to know it, every version of JavaScript. 97, 99, up to S1, 2, 3 like that. What is the latest one available right now? ES80, ES8. Nowadays we are calling 18 version, 19 version only. We are not calling ES versions. Observe everybody. Original, first main version, second revision, yearly editions, and ECMAScript. Check it, everyone. Every version of JavaScript. Come on, everyone. Every version of JavaScript. Clear up to their theory part? I'll show you syntax. I'll show you examples. Come on, quickly respond, software engineers. Yes. Features of JavaScript. It gives HTML designers a programming tool. JavaScript can react to events. detecting the user's browser, OS, screen size, etc. JavaScript can be used to validate data, open and cross-platform. It gives HTML designers a programming tool. JavaScript can react to events, detecting the user's browser. I hope you are understanding. I said already, some hackers are using to detect what browser you are using, what operating system you are using. They're trying to hack your hard disk. Some kind of things they're doing. Somebody asked him already, are they using really JavaScript? Maybe. Okay. JavaScript is 100% cross-platform. Any operating system level it is supporting. Validating data and open and cross-platform. Do you know what is the meaning of cross-platform? Come on, guys. Do you know what is the meaning of cross-platform? Don't know? Any operating system. Any operating system. Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, CentOS, whatever it is, Debian, iOS, whatever it is, any level it is going to work. What JavaScript can do? JavaScript can change HTML content, correct? So HTML is a static. Inside any content available, you want to dynamically want to update, you can update it. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML styles. Correct. JavaScript can hide HTML elements. Correct. You can hide. Can show HTML elements. Yeah. See, JavaScript, how it is doing dynamic things, my dears. Clear everybody? 5 points. What JS can do? Changing HTML content, HTML attributes, CSS, and hiding and showing. How, sir? I'll show you practically. Don't worry about that one. How, why, where, when. Practically, I'll show you. Once, let me complete this theory part. Shall I move forward? Code editors. So there are a lot of code editors available. Already we are using which one? Industry number one editor we are using already. VS Code is the best one for you. Happily you can go with the VS Code. Happily you can go with the VS Code. Other than VS Code, anybody using any other editor or any other IDE? Can you ping in the chat box? If you are using other than VS Code. Come on, guys. Right, very good. Okay, Eclipse you can use, no problem. Notepad you can use, no problem. Edit++ you can use, no problem. Other than VS Code, come on. Yes, we can use Sublime Text, no problem. Atom you can use, no problem. Anybody using WebStorm? Anybody using WebStorm? WebStorm or PyCharm? WebStorm or PyCharm? JetBrains? From JetBrains, actually, we are using that one. JetBrains related flavors only, whatever I'm calling. Go to jetbrains.com, my dear. VS Code enough. Don't go other than VS Code, my dears. Sublime Text also good. Brackets also good. Anybody using brackets? Anybody using brackets? Yeah, good. Right. VS Code is the best one. Shall I go to JavaScript syntax now? Yes. Up to here, clear everybody regarding what is JavaScript, what JavaScript can do, how many types of scripts are there, what is the meaning of scripting. Come on, everyone. Many points are discussed. Slowly, I'm entering into coding environment. Please be stronger before topics. Everybody, you practice CSS3 animations. Everybody, you practice CSS3 animations. Come on. How animations are working? Nice. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Good. Nice, guys. That is nice. $1001freefonts.com, Ashutosh. 1001freefonts.com. Clear? Okay, I'm starting JavaScript syntax. Observe syntax. JavaScript consists of JavaScript statements that are placed within the following. Observe syntax 1, everybody. Do you know what is the meaning of statement? Do you know what is the meaning of statement? Come on, anybody. What is the meaning of statement? Statement is nothing but an instruction. Statement is nothing but a logical instruction. Statement is nothing but logical instruction. Right, guys. Observe here again syntax 2. Observe again syntax 2. Am I clear or not? Syntax 3, observe. Syntax 3 level, no argument required, no parameter required. Plainly you can write. Hope you understood. Right. Shall I write the example by using all these three syntaxes? Any one syntax first I'll use. Come on. Are you clear? Three syntaxes, everyone. Come on, respond to me, everyone. Very good. First program I'm going to write in VS Code. Right. JavaScript. Very good. I want to run this first. JavaScript level. Script type is equal to text or JavaScript. Language is equal to JavaScript. Right. I'm writing simple here. What that one? Document dot write. Welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. .html extension only. Don't worry about the extension. Come on. First and basic example. First and basic example. Observe first code, my dears. Don't be hurry. Come on, clear. I'll show you what is document dot all the things I'll show you. I'll discuss in the next session. First of all, basic level, how message you got, you are clear or not. Very simple. Very basic. That explanation, what are the points available? So real logical things are going to be start in the next session onwards. Am I okay, everyone? So today, nothing, no programming I discussed with you. Today, no programming I discussed with you. Yes. Any question, please, you can ping here. 1 minute. Somebody given question here. Crypto mentors easy level hack their account. Yes. I'll Suraj, definitely I'll talk about that one later, not now. Only introductory part I provided to you. Today I'm not giving any programming. At least up to syntax, everybody clear? Come on, theory part, everybody clear first of all? Tomorrow I'll go to practical environment. So tomorrow onwards, I'll speak complete practical environment. Thank you, everyone. I'll upload my dear. Some people are much hurry. Sir, today notes not uploaded in the Google Classroom. Still not completed class. You're very fast, my dears. JavaScript, just introductory part. Number of Rishi. After JavaScript, you can do Node.js or Angular. You will get thousands of calls right now in the industry. Remember that. After JavaScript, I'm saying. JavaScript. Shraddha, I'll give you one day what are you are going to learn. Don't worry. Both are different, my dears. Client side and server side. Mrityunjay Singh. Come on, any more questions from your side? Yeah, overview I'll give you at the ending, Hariprasad. Okay, note down whatever the points available. Ending level will go there, whatever we left over. Okay, don't worry. Good night. Thank you. Which are very important things we can. Money. I didn't get that one. Saturday notes or Saturday. Which one you required? Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Catch you people tomorrow. Shraddha, you are practicing time. Why difficult? Already videos are there in the Naresh IT channel. Yeah, definitely. Tushar, I'll provide ending time. I'll provide ending time. Okay. Bye bye everyone, thank you. What you required, money? I didn't understand what you required. You can tell me. You required any video sessions or anywhere you are absent? Oh, Saturday class. Saturday class already is there no, in the YouTube. Why videos required? Saturday class, please go to in the YouTube. Free animations, transitions, web fonts already available. Check it once and tell me. Thank you. Check it once and tell me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Money, check and tell me. Find out in our Naresheti channel. First topic is there or not, Omsi Krishna. If not there, you can tell me. Okay. 2-3 pending topics are there. HTML, CSS level. Some people said that one I'll discuss in the ending level with JavaScript. Okay. Thank you.